Welcome to another episode of Music, Rhythm and Flow. Today we're going to talk about feelings and Christmas and stuff. So we're going to mix up a little bit today. We're starting with the first topic today, and it's the B6 chord. It's coming here. B6 chords, and we will go from B6 to BM7. BM7 and E. G7 today sounds like this, and we're going to take B minor. Sounds like this. And here you can take in the second fret here, and you can go on down a couple of frets here. Same chord, up again, the second here. 2 down, you can go any further down here. Keep on sliding between. Some of these chords you can use as an intro, or you can use them as a part of the song. It's a little like a autumn. It's coming soon, after winter, of course. But we love autumn. And we're going to AM7 here. And you can go straight to D7 here. And down here to DM7 and to G. So I'm in practice now for these B6 chords. It's 4 fingers, and it's quite hard to take, but it sounds pretty great when you're finger picking here. BM7 to A7, back to D7 here. To C, to F. So the question is if do you want to play with a pick, or do you want to play with your hands? And it's a question of what kind of songs you will do, or the feeling, and what you're comfortable to do. And I have now played with my fingers, and I said to myself, I'm only going to play with my fingers. So sometimes I can play with a pick, or to get some kind of feeling. But I only play with my hands. You get another vibe in the songs as well. Yeah, so We're going from B6 here to starting up and some Christmas stuff here today. And we're going to get the right feeling here. So the first topic when you're going to do a Christmas song, you have this month now you can do Christmas songs and upload them to YouTube or wherever you want to upload them to, or Spotify. So you can do a couple of Christmas songs now if you want. And we're just going on with the easiest thing to sing about this, of course, the word Christmas. So we're going to start up this session with just the word Christmas. So let's go. It's time for Christmas this year. Time I will drive long Sun Road home. I will drive lonesome road home to my family. Christmas is here to be. So we're going to drive and we're going to talk just Christmas and driving. It's a good part. We go for the next topic. It's singing or kitchen and of course a Christmas tree. So we're going for the Christmas tree here now. Starting up with the D. And I see the light from the Christmas tree. What would you like to see? Christmas tree. And the stars lighting up the room. Christmas tree makes the feeling go. Oh, Christmas tree. So we're going from Christmas tree to, I think we're going to pick the windows and snow. Let's go for that. I see frost on the window. I see snow coming down. This Christmas time and feelings, my frosty window and the sky with the snow, sky and the snow falling down. So there's a window and the snow. And you can of course with all these topics we did, and now we can of course do a full song about it. So we can play around a 3-minute song here now. So we take it slow and sing a full song here now. Let's go. We started with this chord here. Got a rat spirit. Do you got the right spirit? It will come to you this year. The right spirit, right feeling inside of a Christmas time, Christmas time. Christmas time. And something's moving outside. Kids are playing in the snow. It's alright, it's the feeling. Of course, the right time of the year is here now. Children is playing, families working in the kitchen, working in the kitchen. Kids are playing outside in the snow, and it's time for the right time of year. Christmas is here this year. Christmas is here this year for you and me, and together we are a big family, big family. The kids are playing outside in the snow, and Mama's standing in the kitchen and let it go. It's Christmas time. So there we go. That's the first Christmas song for you here. So that is how to do it, and the right feeling, and just building up the song. And you can take your thoughts you have from the last year, or the thoughts you have for the coming Christmas. It's very close now, and you can take the feelings from that and put that together in a song. So we can try to do that as well. I wish, just like the other year, I wish everything will be clear about the Christmas this year. This year, Will it snow? Will it snow? I wish that time couldn't go a little faster here. Waiting, I'm waiting, missing my family this year, this year. And I travel all the way back home. I travel back home. This year, yes, like that last year. I will be so happy and see my family soon. There we go, second song here. So we pushed here for get the song in the right mood for going back and home again, and the feelings you have for this Christmas. So that will be the last song here. I will do one more for you to set the Christmas feelings, and I'm just going with the flow today. So here we go. I watch the sky outside, watching. I'm watching for the snow to come again. I watch the sky, standing with my tongue outside to feel. Flakes of snow, flakes of snow. And I see all the candlelight in the windows, feeling so cozy and warm. Like home, just like home this Christmas will be. I see the Christmas tree outside, I see the Christmas tree inside. It's all right, and the right mood is coming to you tonight. Christmas light. There we go. This is Tommy from Sweden, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and see you soon. Bye bye.